Hey guys. Nobody's here yet. Nobody's here. I hope YouTube told everybody. I'm cold. I guess it would help if I would pull it up.
Go ahead and be seated, everyone. We are back on the record with jurors, counsel, and parties present. I've been informed that the jury has reached a verdict. Has the jury in fact reached a verdict? All right. Ms. Davis, if you could hand the verdict form to Ms. Davis.
Yay.
Would counsel and parties please stand? All right, I have a form of verdict. Form of verdict 2, we, the jury, find the defendant, Karina Cooper, guilty of the offense of murder in the first degree, dated this 11th day of July, 2025. And juror number 1, is that the jury's verdict? Yes, it is, Your Honor. Would you like the jury polled, Ms. Watt? All right. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, at this point, I'm going to ask that you return to the jury room with Ms. Davis just for a bit. We have a couple matters we need to wrap up here, and then I will come and talk to you in just a bit before I release you from your obligations in this case. So thank you, and we'll see you in just a few minutes. Go ahead and have a seat. All right, I will, based on the verdict, I will enter an order, not today, but sometime over the weekend or Monday morning, because I need to get a date and time, but I will set this matter by separate order for sentencing hearing. I will not be ordering a PSI because of the offense charged and on which the jury has rendered a verdict. Ms. Cooper, I need to advise you that you have a right to file a motion for a new trial and/or motion in arrest of judgment. Any such motion must be filed no later than 45 days from today's date, but in any event, not less than 5 days prior to the date that is set for sentencing in your case. If you have questions about those, Ms. Watt and Mr. Hawbaker are the people to talk to. Pursuant to Iowa Code Section 811.1, prior bail provisions are revoked and no bond is authorized at this point. Is there any further record that we need to make on behalf of the state?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Any further record we need to make on behalf of the defendant?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then we are adjourned. Thank you.
Well, there we go. At least you won't have to wait over the weekend. That would have been awful. Travis and I were just talking about it. I meant to tell you guys, and I forgot. One thing that I missed it. It didn't even stand out to me, but Ringo that his name? Ringel? Mentioned it in closing that when she was asked if her husband was asleep. Yeah, I know. But I kept asking, why is this called the widow's words murder trial? And then, yeah, we kind of figured out, well, the indictment was based on things she'd said and her text to him and all that stuff. But that's to me, because Ringel said that when she was asked if her husband was asleep when he was shot, she said yes. How did she know if she was upstairs? How did she know he was asleep when he was shot? He could have been awake in his recliner. So her own words could have been what convicted her. You could have taken that one thing and thrown out all of the other evidence, and that could have convicted her. So calling it the widow's words murder trial was extremely appropriate. So I was just telling Travis that. I was like, that is kind of cool. Sad. Sad that he had to die, but cool that they named it that. Yeah, usually when it's that fast, it's a guilty. Yeah, so I don't like quick verdicts if I want it to be not guilty, but if it's guilty, it's usually quick. Okay, well, thank you guys. You guys jumped on quick. I know I shouldn't. It's only, well, I probably would have quit at 5, but it's not that much past 5. But yeah, usually when I decide to quit, it's a quick verdict. He brought them in, I swear, I had not been gone 5 minutes. Like I had just ended the stream and I took Belle outside and I was just scrolling through my phone and I saw, oh great, they're back in the courtroom. Yeah, figures. I just ended the stream. Um, is Biggin on tonight? Let me see if I can redirect you guys to Biggin. Oh, I look awful. I don't see Biggin. Is Biggin not going live tonight? Oh, there he is. I see him. Okay. Okay. There you go. You're redirected to Biggin, and I look really tired. Okay. Bye, guys. I will see you Monday morning. Have a great weekend.